Guys, what's up? So Half Magic Beauty was kind enough to send me this cute little first aid kit. This is their Sparkle 911 collection. Let's jump into it. All right, so first I want to show off this cute first aid kit makeup bag. So it's got all these little compartments up here and it is huge and spacious inside. So much room for so many products. All right, so they also included this little booklet, which is all of the products in the Sparkle 911 collection. So up at the top here, we have a little definition and it says the immediate, uplifted, some might even call it euphoric mental effect that a person experiences after being adorned with face gems or glitter. I thought that was super cute. And then right here we have a message from Donnie Davy. And if you don't know who Donnie is, she is the head makeup artist on the show Euphoria, as well as the creator of Half Magic Beauty. So it says, "Dear friend, I've seen the dopamine sparkle effect in real life thousands of times, from the Euphoria makeup diehard fans to the totally unassuming stranger who finds themselves in the middle of a Half Magic pop-up event. The phenomenon happens, usually accompanied by a squeal of delight. I'm sending you this Sparkle 911 kit so that next time you or any of your loved ones are having a sparkle emergency, you'll be equipped with products and tools to immediately take action. From medical grade adhesive stick-on face gems that require no glue to adornment tweezers that enable you to swiftly and easily apply the gems to the affected area, to our magical glitter pill liners, you'll have everything you need to uplift your mood and theirs. And because festival season is the perfect time to get your sparkle on, you'll find some other goodies in your kit to keep you feeling wonderful, like our favorite flavor of Liquid IV's Hydration Multiplier, sugar-free, now available at Ulta Beauty. Get ready hair clips in our uplifting signature chartreuse color and cute band-aids for real-life boo-boos. As you try our latest collection, you'll see that glitter and sparkle truly make everything better. Love, Donnie." And this collection is now available at halfmagicbeauty.com as well as Ulta and in stores March 4th. The first product in the Sparkle 911 collection is the glitter pills. This is one of my favorite products from Half Magic Beauty. There are 2 new glitter pills for this collection. These new shades are called Sweet Prince and Pretty Puddle. Sweet Prince is like a beautiful rosy mauve with like periwinkle glitter flakes. And then Pretty Puddle is like a gunmetal silver with holographic glitter flakes. They also included 2 older shades, Holy Goldie and Microcosm, but I want to swatch these for you guys. So on my eyes today, I have Sweet Prince, Pretty Puddle, and Microcosm. So here is Sweet Prince. Beautiful. Here is Pretty Puddle. Microcosm, which is like holographic realness. So pretty. Camera does not do it justice, I swear. There you go. You can kind of see it there. And Holy Goldie, which is like the gold version of that last one. So pretty. Oh my gosh, those are gorgeous. I am in love with the glitter pills. I love these because they are buildable, so you can go light with it or build it up and make it super heavy. These are long wear, fallout proof, and ophthalmologist tested. They were kind enough to send over some Half Magic band-aids. And we have these adorable little Half Magic hair clips. Super cute. They were also kind enough to include the Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier in the flavor White Peach. They included one of their glitter pucks. This is pressed fairy dust for eyes, face, and body. I have one right here that is already open. It looks a little something like that, and it does come with a little powder puff. And let me swatch this for you guys so you can see. It is a very strange texture. It's almost wet, but it does dry down, and it is so pretty. They sent over some of their amazing face gems. I personally like to add glue with these just so I know they're gonna stay on all day long, but these are no glue gems, so you don't need any lash glue. And one of their tweezers, I love this. It comes with this cute little case, and when you take them out, there is the half magic symbol. Super cute, love the attention to detail. In the Sparkle 911 collection, we have 3 brand new Magic Drip Glitter Lip Glosses. Here we have Problem Child, which is a gorgeous black, kind of a silver in there as well. I do have this on my lips today. We have Chaos Prone, which is a beautiful brown purple. It is very, very different and unique. I love it. So pretty. I wish you guys could see all of the glitter in these glosses. They are stunning. And then we have Y2K Share Rub, which is a iridescent pink. And she is so super cute. Last but not least, in the Sparkle 911 collection by Half Magic Beauty, we have a Sculptitude 2-in-1 lip liner. One end is You're My Taupe. And the other end is called Badassery Parade, and I do have this on my lips today. And it is just a super black. This is long wear, waterproof, and transfer and smudge proof. So many amazing products in the Sparkle 911 collection. I am so excited to try them all out some more. Please stick around if you would like to see me using some of the products from the collection in a makeup tutorial. All right, so I put my cute little Half Magic barrettes in to hold my hair back. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking this Chrome Addiction liner and eye paint. This is in the shade Wild Caught. This did not come in this collection, but I thought I wanted to use this as liner. So I wanted to maybe use this as a base for one of those glitter pills that we were sent. So I am just winging this out a bit, like so. And then I'm gonna go in with the Blushing Lizard eyeshadow. Super pretty. And I'm just going to put that on my finger and apply that right in here. All right, so now I'm taking Sweet Prince and Microcosm. Sweet Prince is going on top of that pink liner. And then Microcosm right here on my inner corner and kind of on my lower lash line. All right, so now I'm gonna take my Half Magic Magic Flick liquid eyeliner and I'm going to do a little wing. And then on top of that wing, we're gonna put Pretty Puddle. Also putting a little bit of Pretty Puddle right down here. Now I'm taking a little bit of that glitter puck and just taking it a step further with the glitter. Such a pretty product.
Now I'm going
in with Badassery Parade lip liner and just gonna line my lips. And now I'm going in with Problem Child Magic Drip Lip Gloss. I'm gonna finish this look off with some Half Magic gems. We've got some little pearl looking ones and then some actual rhinestone ones. Not sure what I'm gonna do, but I will be applying these. And to apply these gems, I'm gonna be using my little Half Magic tweezers that come in their case. Super, super cute. And here's the final look using some of the products from the Half Magic Beauty Sparkle 911 collection. You guys, on camera, these products, like the lighting does not do these products justice. This is so glittery and so sparkly in person. I am in love. I wish you guys could see it in person. It's like, euphoria eyes. I love it. I just want to say a big thank you to Half Magic Beauty for sending me this collection to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.